For anyone hiring a contractor for a summer project, a warning. One family recently hired someone to repair their home following a house fire, and they haven't heard from them since. Consumer reporter John Matteries takes a look to try and prevent this from happening so you don't waste your money.
It was a chilly night last year when fire ripped through Crystal Stewart's home, leaving her family's house destroyed, all their possessions gone.
What's it like to come back and see this?
It's hard. Your whole life, everything you've saved is gone.
But that pain got even worse when she hired a contractor based on a local charity's recommendation.
Seemed great to talk to on the phone. I hired him to rebuild my house.
But even though Crystal paid the contractor this check for $125,000, she said weeks went by, then months, and no one laid as much as a single board on top of her foundation.
He didn't file for the permits. He never sent anything to the HOA. He's got $125,000 of my money. It's gone.
She's now suing him, hoping to recover some losses. So how can you avoid a contractor nightmare like Crystal's? The Better Business Bureau says get every detail in writing, including a timetable for when the work should be done. The contract should also state what happens if dates aren't met.
And you want to have what the contractor would be able to offer you. Do you get a refund? Are they going to find somebody else, or is that on you?
The BBB's Sarah Wetzel says before signing that contract, get quotes from at least 3 contractors. Check for complaints and reviews. And if their price is low,
at the lowest bid may not always be the best. They may be cutting corners, so really make sure that you're even reviewing every bid that you get.
Another red flag, asking for the full payment up front. Instead, the BBB suggests paying a third at the start of the project, a third halfway through, and a third when the work is complete. Crystal is now renting until she can recover her rebuilding money.
I want my money back.
She wants others to hear her story so you don't waste your money. I'm John Matteries.